Ready, set, go. My name is Josh Boucher, CEO of Blackfish AI, and oh boy, do I have a treat for you guys today. Um, this is day 2 of my Make certification project for Jonathan Acuna's Make course. It's an incredible course, link in the description. Go check it out. And yeah, let's jump right into this. So the first thing is quite obvious here. I've expanded the scheduling logic from yesterday. Now it can schedule, first of all, now it can schedule 12 different posts per day. And now it can also accommodate posts for the whole week. So my thought is I can just, sit down for an hour or two Sunday morning and just be like, okay, let's, plan out my social media content for the whole week. And, you know, on a lot of these are just text and image. Some of these are, from an article. So I want to put the link there so my social media followers can go see the article for themselves and a little summary that the AI can use to write the social media post itself. And it's just more of that. It's also military time now. I've found that's a bit easier for getting the bot to understand which times go where. I only changed it to the on the hour time zones or time slots, I guess, for so that way it looks nicer for the user. Um, I don't think it will affect the Make Scenario's ability to post at odd times of the hour because um, I can just set the Make Scenario to run at 120-minute intervals, for example, and it'll just start doing that from the time that I hit that button. I can't, not from a specific, like, on the hour. So that's the scheduling logic here. This is my kind of control panel. By the way, I got rid of the form because I got tired of there's not a lot of functionality in there. Yeah, it looks nice for so I would definitely keep it for a client who doesn't um, care about having a lot of control over the prompts. They just want it to look nice. But for me, I really like be in control of things. So, um, this is kind of what I spun together for that. And this is my scenario. I know it looks a bit complex, but I'll break it down for you guys. There's a madness to my method here. All right, I need you to trust me. Okay, so tools module, the scheduling logic is almost the same actually. The tools module just spits out a dummy variable to get the scenario going. It wasn't able to generate any of the variables that I want to actually use in the scenario, so, you know. Um, and this one gets the current time that the scenario is running. Right now, I just have it set to a dummy time for testing purposes. This one gets the day of the week that the scenario is running on. And then this compares the time that the scenario is running and says, okay, what is the one of these scheduled times? Which is the one that comes first after the time that the scenario is running right now? And this Google Sheet module will collect those two variables, the date and time, and it will compare them to the rows in this sheet to find the right prompt. And if it doesn't find one, I have this handy dandy filter here to uh, to cut off the scenario, so then you're not wasting time on you're not wasting money on unused operations. You're not filling your social media pages with these weird like blank ghost posts. you know um, that also gives you a lot of control. So like, for example, let's say I wanted to stop posting 6 times a day and only wanted to do 3 or 4. I could just delete some of these post prompts, and it wouldn't affect the make scenario. I could just go in and cut them out. um, I don't know why you would want to do that personally, but Um, and then this is where the magic happens, okay? So, basically what's going on, I'm just feeding it the text and link from the spreadsheet, as well as the image. And the it's a little bit like the social media bot that we built in Jonathan's Make course, where, but he doesn't like generate the actual social media post with this bot. Uh, Instead, this one just picks a post type. Um, so, for example, there is one for text and there is also one for video, because um, it's not in the scenario at the moment, but I do want to be able to generate, AI clone videos to post on, let's say TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, stuff like that. Um, Social media is eating up that kind of content, so yeah. Um, let's go back to the decision maker, and then the image prompt does actually work just like the image. The image prompt works exactly like the one on the make scenario in Jonathan's course. What happens is it refines the image prompt into something that an image generator, an AI image generator, can actually use. And so we've got a JSON module to parse that response. Image prompt part of it goes straight to this image generator module. The text, this is the one that writes text posts. If we can see it, here we go. Write a social media post about text. Write like you're having a friendly conversation with a close friend. Use a relaxed conversational tone, personal anecdotes, and write in a way that feels natural and relatable. Avoid technical jargon and focus on clarity and connection with the reader. One emoji at a time, 3 hashtags, no cheesy greetings. I found that AI does cheesy greetings a lot when you ask it to write social media posts. So, and then I have one to write a version specifically for X, because as we know, X has a 280 character limit, and my regular posts are quite often longer than that, so we'll just, yeah, write a post less than 200 characters. This is directly from make course. So, and after that, it goes to all of the social media platforms. So, and they also get filtered, like, for example, if there is a link, I don't want there to be a picture. I just had this module wrong, sorry. Instead, I will just, add the link, so they can, click on it and check out the article for themselves, and then I'll just have this little bit talking about it, with a couple of hashtags, of course. And then if the link doesn't exist, this is what we want. We just want result and the photo. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay. Yeah. So for the Facebook ones, I told it to put the photo on the one with the link, not the one without the link. It's supposed to be the other way around because I really would like for my content to not come out feeling samey, and it might. I mean, I feel like pictures enhance article posts just like regular posts, but they might still um, come out feeling the same if I put the photo there. Also, some articles will put their own photos on the link. It really depends on like what platform you're posting on. So for example, LinkedIn, I don't have it put a photo at all on its article posts. Put another enter there. Okay, look nice. And then if the link doesn't exist, so we're just doing like a regular text post, then we'll say, there's the URL. Go ahead and download the picture, so then LinkedIn can use it. Again, exactly like Jonathan's make course. So that's what I meant when I said, this scenario is complex. Um, it certainly looks complex, but currently there's not really that much to it. And without further ado, let's test out our scenario. Okay, so I have the dummy time set up to, let's see, 12:58. Yeah, so what the post that it should pull from to use is this 1300 one, which is this Reuters article. Now, let me refresh both my pages just so there's not any like trickery going on. I haven't like posted it ahead of time, you know? Passionate about building intelligent solutions. Alright. See, 32 minutes, 52 minutes. I've been at work. I've been working, guys. I've been working on this for a minute. Now, yeah, 31 minutes ago. Okay. So, let's go ahead, save this scenario, and we'll run it once. We'll kind of just see what's going on here. An unintended feature of this scenario, that's kind of nice, by the way, is that, here, look at this. I didn't give, um, I didn't give this OpenAI module anything to go off of to make the image prompt. And look at that, it made me one anyway. So, I really like that because, in this little control panel, I don't have to spend time thinking up image prompts for my article posts when I'm researching for those. I can just have the AI do it based on, the link and what it is that I read from there. So, okay, so the scenario finished up. Let's go check out our social media. Alright, and here we go. Here is a brand new post. So I just stumbled on this article from Reuters about DeepSeek and Microsoft. And it got me thinking about how wild the tech world is right now. And, off to the races. Let's see, did it also make it to Facebook? See, the Facebook one got the picture. Cool. I just stumbled on this article from Reuters and DeepSeek. Okay, cool. Cool. Now, let's do this one now, the 1500 one, just to see if the article logic works. And we'll just add 2 hours to the time. And theoretically, that is all we need to do. Because that's all that would have changed in this scenario from the last. Okay. What went? Oh, I see. See, reiterate your way to success. That's the lesson from this, guys. Is now what has happened here? Whoops. What has happened here is that it did it get a time? Yeah, it got a time. So I wonder if we just run this again. Yeah, see there it received the time properly. Yep, it pulled the post that we wanted it to. The future of work, why AI automation is the new competitive advantage. Good. Now let's see what happens real quick with these guys. Okay, it's making the image. Good. It's making the X version of the post. Okay, the filters were working correctly, so let's refresh our pages real quick. And there we go. We got a new post. I've been thinking a lot about how AI and automation are totally reshaping the workplace. It's kind of wild, isn't it? I mean, not long ago, I was overwhelmed with endless to-do lists and trying to juggle everything. Then I started using some automation tools to streamline tasks, and wow, What a difference. Okay. Not a bad picture either. I like this. So, okay. Well, did Facebook get that post as well? Okay, this one did not get the photos, so I need to switch around those those Facebook modules, or perhaps it's just the filters. Um, but it's pretty cool, right? It's pretty cool. Now, this is pretty basic. It's just a proof of concept. Um, my plan is to expand this to include AI stunt double video type posts, and then, post them to IG Reels, to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, maybe even to Facebook. I've noticed that they're starting to bring in that kind of content onto their platform. I'd also like to start posting to X, and just build this out into a complete social media automation platform. Would be pretty awesome. Um, but yeah, I mean that's day two. This is all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you feel this video deserved a rating, I'd really appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts, and of course, before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it's rough being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.